Currently on the screen is some radar shots captured yesterday afternoon, evening and earlier this morning. This is in reference to the severe weather warning in place, a severe weather system, low pressure system. And for Thursday, the 1st of March, here's another update from the Force 13's AU channel. We will continue to bring updated information as this weather system continues to develop, and there's quite a bit of area now under warning. ABC News is now providing coverage to this severe system. Townsville region is continuing to be drenched amid a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall, with the emergency crews on standby for more flooding in North Queensland. And state emergency crews up in North Queensland spent the night helping residents sandbag and cover roofs with tarpaulins. And tropical tidbits thanks to Levi Cow, an owner operator. Here's the first lot of possible tracks, starting off the GEFS on 95 or invest 95p. Here's its current position. It's inland from Townsville, but Townsville is still in the following line. It's not clear. When viewing non-official weather information or weather sources, caution needs to be applied. Here's the awarding area. Bureau Meteorology has updated their severe weather warning for a heavy rainfall, and it's in place for the following areas: Herbert, Lower Burdekin, Gulf Country, Northern Goldfields, Upper Flinders forecast districts. Heavy rain potential continues for part of northern Queensland as low pressure system tracks slowly west. Deep low pressure system lies over the northern Goldfields, Upper Flinders forecast districts to the southeast of Georgetown. Low is expected to shift further west over the northern interior of Queensland during the next couple of days, and we will continue to bring the latest information via video updates. Areas of heavy rainfall expected to accompany the low with its westward movement across North Queensland. Heavy rainfall including storm activity may lead to flash flooding forecasted for the morning area, though the heavier falls should gradually focus further west away from the coast over the northern interior later in the day as the low shifts west. 6 hourly rainfall totals of 50 to 150 millimetres are expected. Isolated falls up to 200 millimetres, and for 24 hours 150 to 250 millimetres, with isolated falls upwards to 350 millimetres. Locations which may be affected include Charter Towns, Townsville, Palm Island, Ayr, Mingella, Guru, Alva Beach, Innisleigh, Lyndhurst Station, Wellington, Gregory Springs, Georgetown, Ingham and Cardwell. So the area expands southward. Or I should say north towards Cairns. But look at that rainfall. This is the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology. And this is the total forecast of rain. And again, look at that eastern region of Cape York, especially around Reaper. They're going to get, pardon the word, they're going to get wrecked when considering the enormous amount of rain that they've had over the last month. And when viewing this information from the Bureau, this is only a conservative look. The Bureau's rainfall is made up of numerous computer models. Now we look at the BSCH, the GFS wind model. These are in 3 hourly periods starting from 4 AM through to 4 AM Friday, and some of the following imagery is to 10 AM Friday. The wind speed, bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now we look at precipitation. And we also have Invest 94S, South Indian Ocean, to the northeast of Madagascar. Force 13 is on standby to provide coverage. Upper level divergence to Invest 94 wind shear. Joint Typhoon Warning settings now on board Invest 94S. They have the percentages to a medium for further development. The 24-hour shear tendency, and look at that area in green and blue. The 850 millibar vorticity, and you can definitely see Invest 95P. There's a bit more red compared to yesterday. Now this is a closer look at the precipitation for the North Queensland region. And the darker the colour, the higher rainfall values. And this is out to 10 AM tomorrow. Now we look at the Himawari 8 satellite view. Or actually it's the NOAA floaters on Invest 95P. And the AU channel could undertake a live streaming event considering this system. So stay tuned to the AU channel. We appreciate the support to the channel. But Invest 95P, we don't know whether it will become a tropical low. Now this is the Himawari 8 satellite view of the southwestern Pacific region. I've actually magnified this so we can focus on the severe weather system. Now expanding outwards to include other parts of North Queensland. And
you can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.
And bye for now.